guys, here's why you got to be careful with these ticking noises. Okay, this was misdiagnosed as a lifter, cam and lifter, but as you can see right here, that is a crack in the exhaust manifold, guys. All right, not a stud, not a broken stud like in the past. As the manifold is literally cracked, and that would give off the same type of noise. So if y'all diagnose some ticking noise on anything, especially in the cold, when you first start, it's ticking noise and it slowly go away as the engine warm up, you might want to take a look at the exhaust manifolds or the flange. On the older model, it may be a broken stud, but in this case, manifold, too much stress on this exhaust system, guys. So, but they got a handle on it. They got these new revised exhaust manifolds. So, but for diagnosis purposes, you might want to take a look at this. Ticking noise when first starting to go away as a warm up, likely in the exhaust area, not the valve train or the cam and lifters or anything like that. So y'all keep that in mind.